Proper wheel alignment is essential for your vehicle's drivability, safety, and tire longevity. Everyday hazards such as potholes, striking a curb, or even minor collisions can disrupt alignment, often without obvious symptoms. Your vehicle may drive straight, yet tires exhibit accelerated or uneven wear. At Centerline Frame Auto, we bring over 30 years of expertise serving the Twin Cities as a specialized frame straightening shop. Unlike conventional alignment services, our deep understanding of vehicle geometry, frame structure, and suspension allows us to achieve superior results. We utilize specialized frame straightening equipment to precisely adjust rusted or bent components. Our frame racks enable accurate repositioning of rear axles, cradles, and suspension mounts. This comprehensive approach ensures optimal steering angles, even tire wear, and restored handling, delivering alignments that standard shops cannot match. Trust Centerline Frame Auto for precision you can rely on.